Today, I'll show you how to add a product to JotForm. Whether you're setting up a new business or expanding your existing one, adding products to your forms can streamline your sales process and make transactions smoother for your customers. JotForm is an excellent tool for creating customized forms that can meet a variety of needs, and learning how to add products is a valuable skill to have in your toolkit. First, you'll want to start by visiting jotform.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for JotForm in your search engine. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select the form you want to add a product to. Navigate to your list of forms and find the one that you'd like to edit. Once you've located it, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form builder where you can make changes and enhancements to your form layout and content. In the form builder, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Element. Click on this to open a menu of various elements that you can add to your form. This menu is where you can customize your form to suit your specific needs. Scroll through the options until you see Product List. Click on Product List to add this element to your form. The Product List feature is a powerful tool that allows you to display products to your customers directly on your form, making it easy for them to select what they want to purchase. Once you've added the product list, you'll see an option to either add product or import existing products. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on adding a new product. Click on Add Product to begin the process of creating a new product entry. Now, you can enter the details of the product you want to add. Start by entering the name of your product. Be descriptive and clear so that your customers know exactly what they're purchasing. Next, input the price. Make sure it's accurate and reflects any taxes or additional fees if applicable. Then provide a description. This is your chance to highlight the features and benefits of your product. A well-written description can encourage potential buyers to make a purchase. After you've filled in the name, price, and description, choose an image that represents your product. A good quality image can make a significant difference in attracting customer interest. Make sure the image is clear and showcases your product effectively. Once you have all the details filled out, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure all the information you've entered is stored. Saving your product details is crucial. This ensures that everything you've added is kept secure and is ready to be viewed by your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product to your JotForm. This simple guide will show you how to enhance your forms and make them more functional for your business needs. Keep exploring and experimenting with JotForm's features to create the perfect form for your business. Thanks for watching and happy form building.